everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Guys, this is a great car. Bought this car from a buddy of mine down in Alabama. Super guy. Dave's a great guy, big Mustang guy. The story behind this car, he bought the car from a gentleman, I guess his uncle bought this car years ago, passed away around 2009, 2010. He got the car, completely restored it, complete body up restoration on it. Matter of fact, Dave said he's got all the paperwork. It was all, it had a, you know, the 289 that was in it was all professionally done. The trans was all professionally done. He's got all the receipts and stuff, he said, for it. He said he's got a bunch of paperwork for it, and that does, he said, goes with the car. I don't have it in my hands, but I know Dave pretty well, so if he doesn't send it to me, I'll just give you his phone number. You can drive him crazy for it. You don't have to worry about Dave. He's a good dude. But then Dave's had the car. He put the wheels and tires on it. He put disc brakes on it, and he also put air on it. But great car, like I say. So about 2010, 2011 car, had a body up restoration, beautifully done, Wimbledon white, black top, black interior. I'll tell you, great car, guys. Runs and drives excellent, nice and tight. You know, it doesn't shimmy, shake, or rattle. It's just a good car, man. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. Really just a pleasure to drive. I wouldn't be afraid to get in this car, turn the key, and go anywhere. It's a good car. Dash is nice in there. Look how nice the vinyl top is. You know, you look at all the little cracks and crevices on this car, it's really nice. Kind of car you know, bring home, turn the key, and go to a car show. Car sits good, got a really good look. I love it's got the, I think those are 17-inch revs, rev wheels, all new rubber. Good looking car, all new dual exhaust underneath. We got it up in the air, got some good pictures of the bottom for the car for you. I dig it, really nice car. This car can sit in my driveway any day of the week and twice on Sunday, guys. Again, all brand new disc brakes. It's a factory 289 C code. Matter of fact, the original tag is still on the intake. My boy Jordy's slacking. Jay's needed a day off today, so Jordy's a little behind. Nope, down in the grill, Jordy. There you go. We'll break him in. We'll be nice to him, but just got to get on the ball. Go ahead and open the doors and open the trunk. This car's detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Again, original 289 C code at the original intake. There's your original Ford tag still on the intake bolts. Stock exhaust manifolds. Again, it does have air. Air blows ice cold, guys. It's been converted to disc brakes. Nice car, man. Original automatic car. Detailed up real nice. And see the original VIN is still on your inner fender like it's supposed to be. I know all our guys over in Europe need that. That's where most of our Mustangs actually end up, guys. Very popular overseas. And this is a good one, man. You're looking for a nice Mustang to just turn the key and go have some fun. I think you'll have a blast with this car. Pretty color combination. I like the black vinyl top on it. Kind of breaks up the white. That's just a little water spots, guys. A-pillar chrome's nice. You can get a little, you know, you can pick it a little bit. Mirrors are nice. Door handles are nice. There's your original Ford door tag as well. Factory vinyl interior. Said that he redid all that. Again, you can kind of nitpick there's some little chips in the jams. Again, nothing hideous. Bucket seats, that's a removable console if you don't like it. Headliner's nice. Steering wheel's nice. Dash is real nice in this original 53,000. That's supposed to be the original miles to the car. Factory gauges. Aftermarket radio does work. Like I say, the air blows cold. Dual exhaust, stock rear end. Not a big gear, guys. Definitely a highway gear. Good car. See it in the trunk here. They just got it painted black in here. Spare. I think the jack's under there, he said too. Fit and finish is nice. Good car, man. Car's got pretty paint. Like I say, it's nice on the bottom. We got some pictures of the underside for you. I really dig the car. I think it's just a good car, man. Been here for 41 years selling stuff just like this. Again, we own all our own inventory. I don't do any consignment. And I only buy, guys, what I'd park in my driveway. Does that mean the car's perfect? No. I've sold 6,000 of these things, personally owned and sold 6,000 classic cars. Never seen a perfect one yet. But I buy nice stuff, guys. And I dig this car, man. It's a nice car. Factory floor shifter. Again, if you don't like that, those come out. See those a lot in Mustangs. Go ahead, Jordy. Yep. Runs out good. Click your air on. That one button. No, you don't have it on. It's a little button. Oh, it is on. I'm sorry. Yep, air is on. And it blows ice cold, guys. I drove it out, wheeled it around down here in Alabama a little bit. It was 96 degrees and it ran nice and cool. You can go ahead and shut it off, Jordy. Good looking car, man. These cars are so popular. It's got a good look to them. Fuel gauge works, speedo does work, temp gauge is working. Brake lights. Yep. Left turn signal. Right. Give it a little rev, Jordy. C-code 289 2-barrel. Just pull this out and it should come on. There you go. Radio does work. Go ahead and click it back on. It does work. And then, like I say, the air does work. Both blower motors work. The heat and air do work. Wipers. Our boy here. Headlights. Turn signals. There you go. Awesome. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Jordy's got me all out of whack here. Or another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a pretty Mustang, guys. Got a good look to it, sits good, like I say, drives out real good. Have a great day, guys.